Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be a bit different. So today I got destroyed by Claude AI. Let me share you a bit of context for this first. So a few months ago, for my job, I was just in my own personal time working on just a fun little tool to practice my Python programming skills, where it would record the number of calls a person is supposed to have at the end of each hour, which should have been pretty simple, but I was still learning Python, so I didn't exactly know what I was doing. So it took a really long time to get a program that half worked. And today I decided, why not go back and revisit that, see if I can make it any better or change it at all. But before I actually made any changes myself, I thought I would have Claude AI try it itself. So I uploaded the file, my original file for that, and I described what it was supposed to do and also the current problems with it. And I was honestly surprised by the response, because in about 30 seconds, it created a whole new program that worked in your web browser and was way better than what I had before. And I'm making this video because I think this is a really good sign, I think, of where the world is going and what's going to start happening. Skills like programming, anything that uses a computer, really, that's going to become more and more taken over by AI and done by AI, where people won't necessarily be needed for certain programming tasks. And not only did Claude do what I asked it to, and did it better than I even imagined doing it in the first place, it also explained what I originally did wrong, which made me feel really dumb, by the way. I didn't know how to properly use date-time objects in Python, which would have made it a lot easier. But also, it added extra features I didn't even ask it to that made it way better than I had imagined it would be. I'm making this video today because this is my first time really feeling some sense of obsolescence as the result of AI just being way better and faster at something I thought I was at least getting good at. And this is certainly something that we're all going to see a lot more often. And there's a good chance we're all going to start to feel a bit obsolete at certain things because AI is just going to be so good at doing it. But what does this mean for us moving forwards? We can't just sit here and let our jobs be replaced. We can't sit here and suffer because of AI. It's supposed to make things better. That's what we would want. Well, what we need to do is keep using these tools, learn everything we can about them, so that we can use them to our benefit. Another thing to consider too is that with these AI models, the technical barrier for a lot of jobs is just going to keep dropping. There's a good chance that programming is just going to become more and more obsolete for people to actually learn, when you could just write a paragraph in normal English or any language and get the program that you're looking for. And this is really why people fear AI so much. For example, I'm currently going to school for data analytics, but the things that I'm seeing AI do, I'm wondering if my degree's going to even be worth it once I get out of school. And that's really the reason why so many people fear AI. They don't know if their job's going to be around. They don't know if the work they're doing now is even worth doing. But once again, we just need to focus on what we can do. Right now, there's really the democratization of a lot of really powerful tools that we all have access to, either for free or just for low cost. So in the meantime, we can use that to create really powerful tools to help us advance ourselves, to help us learn even more and do even better. So at the very least, if you take anything away from this video, I just hope that you're encouraged, actually, to go out and explore all of the tools that are out there and start experimenting, seeing what you can do with that. create something cool. I know personally, now that I know Claude can code really well, I'm just gonna start exploiting it, see what cool things I can create in a short period of time without banging my head on a table trying to figure out why my code isn't working. Also, this is something really quick that I just forgot to mention while I was downstairs filming this. So yes, I did stop in the stairwell. Not the best audio, but I did just want to say that even though this whole AI thing can be scary for a lot of people, it's never too late to pivot. Just to change direction and reconsider your future, and consider what things you can do to prepare for the advent of AI and different AI tools. Anyway, back outside now. So, hope that helps. Take care. See you in the next one.